Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking Matters. My name is Collin Spear. I'm with the Lost River Market in Deli, and today we're making pigs in a blanket. The ingredients that you'll need for today's video are hot dogs, crescent rolls, American cheese, and optional, of course, is ketchup and mustard. The utensils that we will need today are a chef's knife, a cutting board, and something to bake your pigs in a blanket on. Alright, while we are prepping the rest of our ingredients, we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 375. We're going to take our crescent rolls and cut these into 4 pieces. We're then going to take our American cheese and cut that lengthwise in half. Once you have done this, you're going to take your cheese and wrap it around your hot dog, and then take your strips of dough and wrap them around the hot dog spiraling so it looks like a mummy. Repeat this with 4 strips of your dough. Once all of these are prepped, we're going to throw them in the oven for 9 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Alright, these have finished in the oven. You can see that they're golden brown on top. This is a fun treat that your kids and yourself will like.